how to cash out $750 free on Cash App, no payback required. Let's be real. Sometimes it's not the big stuff that breaks you, it's the little things stacking up all at once. That $30 overdraft fee, that surprise utility bill, that Uber you had to take because your car broke down again. All of it adds up. And before you know it, your whole check is gone before you even touch it. Now imagine this. What if $750 just showed up in your Cash App and you didn't owe a single dollar back? No stress, no loan, no repayment schedule hanging over your head, just straight up money you can use to breathe a little. Here's the truth. Most people won't say out loud. Most folks aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because life is expensive, and one emergency can throw your entire month into chaos. But if you had just $750 right now, you could get ahead of it. You could fix your car instead of hoping it holds together one more week. You could clear out small debts and stop drowning in interest. You could buy groceries for the month and not have to swipe credit for dinner. You could put a little aside and finally stop living check to check. This is why that $750 offer through Cash App is such a game changer. We're not talking about some sketchy payday loan. This is a $750 cash opportunity linked to Cash App promotions that you don't have to pay back. It's simple, legit. And if you qualify, you can cash out straight to your Cash App balance. That means more peace, more control, and finally, some breathing room. Now ask yourself this. How much better would you work if you weren't stressed about money every single day? Think about it. When your mind isn't racing about bills, you focus better. You sleep deeper. You show up stronger for your family. And you finally feel like you're running your life instead of life running you. Here's what to do. Check the link in the pinned comment. Apply for the $750 Cash App reward. If you qualify, cash out and use it how you need. It's fast, it's free, and it could be the exact reset you need to flip your situation around. Don't wait. Tap the link in the pinned comment now, because $750 could change everything.